Hey, good morning, everybody. Okay, so we're at day 2 now. Got some kinks worked out from yesterday. I think everything will be much smoother today. Please make sure that you open up your Google Hangout as you are working today. So again, you go type in my name, hang out with, and it'll pop up a little message like this. You can type in, I will respond. If you need me for something, you can video chat. Okay, so all those things, please have that happen so that it's easier for you to complete your assignments. And if you have questions, please do not hesitate to ask. All right, for today, we're going to continue working on our area model. You're going to have a blended worksheet, so this is something a little different than what we've been doing in the past. So what you'll do is you'll come in, you'll sign in with Google, and then your sheet will, yep, you're going to allow all this stuff. So down here, allow, and then your page will show up. First thing you'll notice is there's a video at the top. So you'll watch the video, then come down, and if you forget, there's directions that I have recorded here, so you can listen to my directions. Then you're going to go down. Do not answer this one first. You're going to want to answer each of these first so that you know how much is in each of the sections of the array. So 3 times 2 is 6, and then add in your 0 placeholders. So we're at 600. Okay? So if you have any questions on that, let me know. Then you have an Ed Puzzle, which is a short video. It's really similar to the 3-act things that we were doing before we left. So as you push play, you'll watch the video, and see right here, that's where your first question will happen. So I'll let it go for just a second. So what your job is going to be is to estimate how many Skittles are in the jar. Okay, it's going to go here, and then it's going to pause, and then right over here it's going to say, what do you notice? What do you wonder? So what questions do you have to be able to figure out what's still there? How many Skittles fit in the jar? You're going to write an estimate. Okay, and then after you answer your question, you'll move on, or if you want to rewatch it, you can rewatch it by clicking the rewatch button. It'll show you again. Okay. For reading, right here is the book, so click on the book to open the book up, and Mr. Popper's Penguin shows up there, also the free online dictionary. Now, I switched up the assignment just to make it a little more user-friendly for you since I'm not there to help out. It's going to be the same thing where you have a blended worksheet. This time, since we're already signed in, it should go right to the page. And on this one, I have Chapter 4, so read along with it after you have your book open, Chapter 5 and Chapter 6. Then this you have to, it's a matching, so angrily, which would be angrily, let's see, say I think it is right here. And then you just connect, and then same thing with the rest. Okay? Use the dictionary to help you with those. Then you have 2 multiple choice questions, short answer. If you need some help, listen to my instructions, and just a couple more short answers. Then once you're done, you send it to me. Okay? And then I do still have writing assignments up. Do the best you can to get that stuff done. I don't want you guys spending all day on this. Okay? I want you to spend a solid 3 hours working on school and then move on. So if you get done early, go ahead and read, work on IXL. I will be doing video chats with small groups for reading. Today they starting at 10 o'clock. So from 10 to 10:30, I'll be meeting with Lily, Aubrey, Bree, Hattie, Zaria, and if you can't do that, it's okay, no big deal. But if you can, please go to your email, and all you have to do is click, there'll be a join hangout meets, and you'll just click on that and you'll join. Okay? If you have questions, let me know by chat. 10:30 to 11 will be Alejandro, Seti, Isaiah, Jason, and Jackson. And from 11 to 11:30 will be Anaya, Haley, and Trinity. Okay? Again, if you have any questions, please, please, please let me know. That's why I'm here. All right? Thanks. Have a great day.